Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change a clip's transition duration inside of DaVinci Resolve. So to get started, I'm just going to move two clips to my timeline right here, as you can see, and I'm going to go ahead and overlap them a little bit. Now the overlap is very important for making transitions apply seamlessly. You can adjust the point of the transition by using this tool right here called the Trim Edit tool. So it just lets you move the point at which these two clips tend to overlap. So now that that's done, I'm just going to go ahead and go to my effects tab, go to video transitions, and then I'm just going to drag a random transition into the timeline. So as you can see, I place it right in the middle of those two videos, and that's just how I like it. So now if we play this forward, there's our transition. So if you want to change the duration, you're going to want to left click on the transition in your timeline. And then look here at the upper right hand side of your screen. You're going to be able to see the duration tab, and it measures the duration both in seconds and in frames. So you can choose which one you want to work with. Different workflows and sort of project settings will favor different things, but generally the seconds is quite enough. So let's say I want to make it faster. I'm going to change it to 0.5 seconds and make it shorter. So now if we play it forward, as you can see, the transition is much faster than before.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. You see, my team and I publish easy to use step-by-step editing tutorials to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding this video useful and would like to learn more, I would really appreciate if you go ahead and hit that subscribe button to show some support, give this video a like, and of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release videos coming out every single day. Now, let's continue.
And just vice versa, if you want to make it longer, just go ahead and type in something like 1.5. And as you can see, the transition is much, much slower. So it's really quick and really easy. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.